In this video, we're going to add a send to email link to our locator interface. The first step in this process is to create a new field called send to email. So we'll click on fields and then new, and we'll create a new field called send to email. And we'll choose send to email as the type of field available under the dynamic group. Choose save. Now that we've created the field, the next thing is to add it to one of our interfaces. So I'll go over to interfaces and just take a glance at my existing interface. What I'm going to do is add the send to email form to a new interface. We'll just choose one of these basic examples. And preview the result. So we'll add the new send to email link right over here on the left. We could also add it right over here or in any of the other MetaLocator templates. In order to do that, I'll go under template settings. In this case, I'm going to add it to the directory item template below the rest of the fields. So I'll place my cursor right at the end of that and click on MetaLocator fields. Choose from the user fields. In this case, I'll choose send to email. And then click OK. Let's see how this works. I'll click Save. And we'll reload our preview. Notice now we have a send to email link on each row. If I click on that, it will open up a page that will allow me to enter in my email. I'd like to change this so that it opens up in a pop-up window so that the user isn't taken to that relatively empty looking page. I can do that by switching over to source view and adding rel equal single quote modal, M-O-D-A-L. Make sure that there's only one space here and that you're using single quotes and that there are no additional spaces before or after that new attribute. Choose save. Once that's saved, we'll reload our interface and let's look at the change in behavior. Clicking on that now brings the send to email form in a nice window. The other thing you might want to do is control the format of the content that gets delivered in the email address. That gets delivered in the email. So click under Contact Form Settings and look at the Send to Email Body template. So this template controls the content of the message when somebody uses send to email. Similarly, you can modify the subject and then also the display name that's used when the email is delivered. That covers the send to email functionality.